In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at the Gutenberg WordPress editor templates, step by step. So let's get started. On WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and select Add New. Now search for Gutenberg in search bar and you will get all the related results. Let's install this Gutenberg from results by clicking on this Install Now button. Once done, click on this Activate button. Here on this page, we can see its video tutorials and intro video. Now go to Post and select Add New. Here on top, you will get Temporary Library button, click on it. Select Maybe Later from pop-up. Now you will get all the blocks in different categories. You can insert the one you like from here. Next we have templates, then template kits and patterns. Back on blocks, on left, we have all these different categories options for blocks. Let's select blog and insert one block from here. So it will look like this. Now click on this plus button to add block. Select the type of block you want to insert from here. Let's close it by clicking on this plus button. A little below also we have this plus button to add block. Here also you can select the type of block you want to add. And you can browse all from here. Let's select this template library. Now click on this and the full template library of blocks will open. Now insert the one you like from here. Now as you can see, the selected block has been inserted over here. Thank you for watching.
Struggling with WordPress? WP Learning 101 is your solution. Our free training is perfect for WordPress beginners. Click the link below to join WPLearning101.com and start mastering WordPress today.